Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is my absolute honor this morning to welcome my staff and my students to our 2021 Book Week. I just want to say a few words before I hand over to our two MCs. Can I just say thank you to absolutely everyone in the committee for organizing today. And can I thank all my staff for participating. Most importantly, thank you to you beautiful children for taking the time to go find yourself a beautiful outfit. And I'm hoping that inshallah we are going to have a wonderful parade. And you are also going to learn from the different books that will be given this morning in the front. So without further ado, we're going to start.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Garden College Book Week Assembly for 2021. We will begin with a Quranic recitation by Muhammad Ahmed.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
This year, the theme for Book Week is Old Worlds, New Worlds and Other Worlds. In today's assembly, you will see work displayed by our students about various worlds that they have learned about. They will show you a piece of work that they have completed to celebrate a book week this year. We will now invite the receptionists to come and show us their work for Book Week.
In reception, we read the Do Not Open This Book series. We loved the funny story so much. If you haven't read it, you must.
Thank you, receptionists. We now invite Year 1 Miss Healer's class to show us what they did for Book Week.
Award-winning author Philip Bunton is a story about Una. Una is a young girl who has been fascinated by all things astronomical since she was small. As she is an astronaut in waiting, she has a plan to go to space dressed in her goldfish bowl for a helmet, an old snowsuit, ski gloves, and her mom's white Ugg boots. Her mission to find life in space leads to an out-of-this-world adventure. Una loves imagining a life in space. Life on Earth is just too boring. How will she get there? Can she complete her mission to discover life in space? After enjoying this book, we wrote this book review and draw our favorite part from the story. This book inspired us to look after our planet, and we encourage you all to find out why.
We hope you like our work. Thank you for listening.
Could we have Year 2s from the Sums class please come up and share their work with us?
Our theme for Book Week is Old World. We read the children's version of Around the World in 80 Days. It is an adventure story written by the French writer Jules Verne.
It was first published in French in 1872. In the story, Philip spoke of London and his newly employed French valet Passepartout attempted to go around the world in 80 days. From
There were no airplanes then, so they travelled on trains and steamships. This picture of steamship that they travelled on. We pray to Allah the Almighty that we will be able to travel to other parts of the world too, inshallah. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
We now welcome Year 2B, Miss Nusrat's class.
The setting in the story was in the deep dark ocean with broken boats and lots of seaweeds. The main character is Rainbow Fish because she was talking the most.
The rainbow fish had lots of sparkly scales, and all other fish in the ocean wanted one from her. She refused every time.
The rainbow fish went to the white octopus, and the octopus told her to share her scales, and she did. Finally, all the fish played happily together.
Thank you, Year 2B. Would Year 3A, Miss Usman's class, please come up and share their work with us?
Assalamu alaikum. Our class theme for Book Week this year is Dragons, based on the book series How to Train Your Dragon by Cressida Cowell. Our classroom door is decorated as the door of the Vikings house in the Vikings village. We also painted the most popular dragon from the book series, Toothless. He sits right outside our classroom of the wall. We completed a book review as a class. The book series, How to Train Your Dragon, is about Vikings who lived on the Isle of Berk, which is a small Viking land where fighting dragons was a way of life, until Hiccup, the main character of the story, becomes friends with a deadly dragon, Night Fury. He named him Toothless, and he also created a prosthetic tail for him. It is about a group of friends who valued cooperation and teamwork. They worked together alongside their dragons to save other dragons from danger. The book cover shows the main characters Hiccup and Toothless. The review shows the setting of the story, which is the Isle of Berk, and other characters of the story. We really enjoyed creating the door display and writing the review. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, 3A. Can we please have 3B, Miss Hanifi's class, please come and share what you have worked on?
For Book Week, our class read Monsters, Inc. It is a book about a monster school that tries to scare children. The more screams they get, the higher their level. The monsters get, but Sally and Mike, two monsters, find Boo, a little girl who laughs a lot. They try to save her from the other monsters and discover that her laugh makes everywhere lighter. Soon they realize that the power of laughter is more powerful than the power of scream. These are our book reviews. We hope you like them.
We would now like to invite the Afors to come on stage. Assalamu alaikum. To fit in with the theme of Book Week 2021, Old Worlds, New Worlds and Other Worlds, we took part in an activity where we had to create our own world. We did this by rolling a dice to select various items to include in our world. We hope everyone has a fantastic Book Week. Thank you, Miss Manella's class. We now invite the Year 5s from Miss G's class to come and share their work.
This year, Year 5s did The Dinosaur That Pooped the Planet for our Book Week door, and we've also read lots of books, and we did our book reviews.
At Eda's class. Last but not least, let's invite the amazing Year 6s up front.
Harry Potter tells the story of a young wizard and his journey to live up to his destiny to defeat the evil wizard Voldemort.
Harry Potter attends Hogwarts with his friends, Ronald Weasley and Hermione Granger. They help him with his many adventures. At Hogwarts, the students are separated into 4 groups: Hufflepuff, Gryffindor, Slytherin, and Ravenclaw. The Year Sixes are dressed in a variety of houses, so be sure to ask which one they are into.
We would recommend Harry Potter to anyone that likes fantasy, adventure, and excitement. Come check out our designs in the Year 6 area when you can.
Our tour design represents Platform 9 3/4, a special magical railway platform that transports students to Hogwarts. We have tried to give the door a 3D element. We hope you like it.